From reducing the risk of heart attacks to boosting your immune system, fish oil is known for its amazing health benefits. Its power comes from omega-3 fatty acids, the healthy fats your body can't make on its own. These fats help your heart, brain, and immune system stay strong. But should you take fish oil supplements or just eat more fish? Let's look at the main benefits. 1. Fish oil reduces inflammation. One of the biggest benefits of fish oil is that it helps lower inflammation in the body. Too much inflammation can lead to problems like heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Fish oil helps calm the body and keeps you healthier overall. 2. Fish oil supports brain health. Your brain is made mostly of fat, and fish oil gives it what it needs to work properly. It can help improve memory, focus, and mood, while lowering the risk of depression and mental decline as you age. 3. Fish oil protects your heart. Fish oil helps lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and prevent plaque from blocking your arteries. It keeps your blood flowing smoothly and reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 4. Fish oil boosts your immune system. By increasing white blood cells, fish oil helps your body fight off colds, infections, and viruses. Taking fish oil regularly can make your immune system stronger and help you recover faster. Fish oil or fish? Not all fish oil supplements are high quality, so eating real fish is often better. Try eating salmon, sardines, mackerel, or trout twice a week to get enough omega-3s. If you don't like fish, ask your doctor about safe fish oil options. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and check out the next one for more simple, science-backed health tips.